Hello, hello. This is Cherie for Just Nailed It. It is SheModern Saturday. Today we are going to be doing some bats with the moon. I think these are really super cool. They are gold and black. And we are going to be putting some on the ring finger and the thumb. I've got my palette off to the side with those soaking. Got my palette here with the pigments on them. I have already applied the glue gel, which is for glitter and pigment. Cured those for 30 seconds. And I am going to go in with, let me tell you what I'm using. This is SheModern Sparkling Glitter Nail Art in green, glow in the dark glitter. I used that. The orange is the glow orange, which I'm not having any luck with that one glowing in the dark, except if I put it in the lamp. Then it glows. Which, if you're out on Halloween, you're not going to have a lamp accessible with you to make it glow. So, I don't know. We're putting this green all over the nail. Swipe, swipe, swipe. Pick it all up with your brush. I really love these. The green glows really, really well in the dark. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put another coat of the glue gel on top of this and cure it and repeat this step. Just so I get a really, really good strong glow on it. Cure this for 30. These are one of our Halloween sets of nails. Let me comment down below. Let me know what kind of nails you're doing for Halloween this year. It could be for your actual night of. Could be for a party you're going to. Or could be for a YouTube video. Or Instagram pictures. So let me know what you got in mind this year. I myself have a collaboration I run on Instagram called honeybee.nail.art. The dot between each one of the words, can't spit that out there. So we are going to go back in with the green. But look us up there. This month for October we're doing Nightmare Before Christmas, which is really super cool. Really, really cool. If anybody's interested, please look me up there. I am Nailed at 67, and you are more than welcome to join. We accept all levels of nail art. Get some more pigment out here. I want this like a really strong green. Really strong. So I'm doing 2 layers. Never done 2 layers before of the glow, or of any other pigment for that matter. We'll let them sit for a minute. Got quite a bit in the sidewalls. Ooh. Quite a bit in the sidewalls here. You do your cleanup at any given time. These, I'm just gonna let them. So I'm just gonna dust off all my nails. We are good to go on that. I think those look really cool. Give them a good brush again. I'm going to go in with the grip gel on the thumb and index finger. Or thumb and ring finger. I'm sorry. This is where we are putting our decals at. And I'm going to cure, these for 30, and I'll be right back. Alright, we are back. Using my Beauty Big Bang stamper to pick up my decals with. I think I'm going to do the thumb first. Have yourself something lint-free sitting off to your side to dab your stamper on. To dab off some of the water. So remove the backing. Dab, dab, dab. And there we go. Get your silicone tool. There we go. I love the bats. I think they're too cool. And when they do come out of the lamp and it's dark, they do glow. So it does look cool. You got our bat and the moon. There we go. Get your tool and smooth out. Make sure there's no air or water bubbles. And I also have these are in gold. I also have the gold bat. There we go. I think that looks pretty nifty. And for our top coat, we are going to be going in with the Leaf Hue top coat. Steel top coat is a sub-brand of Modelones. We're going to put this in, not in, and we will cure for a good 60 seconds. Yeah, I definitely think I'm getting low on top coat. At least on this bottle. This bottle I don't worry about contaminating because it's strictly for my SheModern. There we go. I'm going to cure these for 60 and we will be right back. Okay. Whoops. We are back. Things have been in the lamp a little extra long trying to charge them up, and I'm going to shut the lights off and see if they glow. And some of them do. Let me get them closer so you can see. I think they look really cool. Hopefully you can see them as well. The green glow better than the orange. But I think they turned out really cute. Cute, cute, cute. But it was these two nails I think we could see better on when it was dark. It's just my opinion. That's what I think. I think it was these two, the index and the middle finger. Well, leave me a comment down below, ladies, fellas. Let me know what you think of my little glow-in-the-dark manicure today with the bats, the orange, not the orange, but the gold and the black. I really like them. But yeah, let me know if you came through, who was here, who was not. Let me know about your Halloween manicures. Still working on a few of mine. Got a couple in my sleeve to do. A couple for Glitter Girls. We're doing 2 collaborations this month. And I have my Nightmare Before Christmas to do for the honey.b.nail.art. Look us up on Instagram. I don't know if I'm going to do a video for that or not. It's still up in the air. But yeah, if you're new here, please subscribe. See what else. Don't forget to click the bell. Always got to click the bell. That way you're notified of all future videos that I do. I upload usually a minimum 3 times a week. My channel is, always was, and will be free. Keep that in mind. Have yourselves a blessed day. Thank you.